Hello again and welcome back to Scott Reviews Things. Excuse the slightly odd angle. I forgot my tripod. It's in the car. I usually keep it in the van and I just forgot it. Forgot to bring it. So, today, £1.16 for almost certain near-death experience. It's lunchtime. It could be the last lunch I ever have here on Scott Reviews Things. Hello again and welcome back to Scott Reviews Things. I hope you're all keeping very, very well. It's lunchtime, and I thought I just want something quick and easy and cheap. £1.16. These are on offer. Rustlers. I think I've only ever done one other Rustlers. I did that speed feast thing from Lidl. It was alright, and I saw this and I thought, oh my Christ, this looks horrific. And it's Peri chicken burger with chicken peri sauce, making it look fabulous, don't they? Make it look fabulous. And then you see this utter monstrosity contained. I'm going to get it out, I'm going to have a look. 100% chicken breast, apparently, source of protein. Limited edition, used by the 18th of March. Put the bun in the toaster. I haven't got a toaster, I've got a microwave. Remove burger from packaging. Prop the bun in the toaster and the tenders in the microwave, heating on full power. Rebuild your burger. Squeeze over the peri sauce and enjoy. Heat the tenders for 1 minute. No. I will not be heating those tenders for any less than about 4 minutes in this thing, the Chernobyl machine, because I don't want to die. Let's have a look and see. Bun. And my Christ, look at them. Jesus H wept. And then you got some peri sauce. So 2 of the saddest looking bits of chicken I've ever seen in my whole chuff. Just gonna put it in the microwave and we'll be back in a minute. Right. Ooh, yummy. So I'll put it on my lunchbox so we can see what we've got. So we've got, obviously I haven't got a toaster, so I can't toast the bun. So we're at a bit of a disadvantage straight away. And then we've got these 2 horrific looking bits of chicken. A bit slimy. I'll put it in there for about 5 minutes because that microwave isn't great. I'm going to be honest. I've got a bit of an aversion to dying, so I'd like to sort of, I mean, look. That sums up this channel. Limp and just a bit shit. Motherfucker, that was hot. Where's the chicken? See if we can make it look yummy in the nice picture. Yum. There's the peri sauce. What the fuck? There we go. Put it over the top of the bun. Oh, special. Very lucky boy today. Lucky lad. About 300 calories, it says, for this absolute monstrosity. So, peri sauce is on. chicken tenders. Squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Where's the... Obviously I haven't got any lettuce. I actually fear for my life. Fear for my life for 300 calories. £1.16. Peri, what's it called? Peri chicken burger from Snacksters. This could be the last video you ever see.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum. Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, yum yum.
Bun's not helping because it's not tasted.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, yum yum.
Chewy bun. Chewy chicken. And probably a good 4 or 5 hours on the shitter later.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo.
The peri sauce is alright.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo.
Absolutely foul. Chicken.
Yum yum, choo choo.
Why would anybody eat that? Well, I've just ate it. Oh. Nice heat. Nice bit of heat to the peri sauce. Not helped by the chewy burger, the chewy bun, because we haven't got a toaster. And that peri sauce is actually quite nice. It's got a very nice little bit of heat to that. The chicken, slimy, chewy, fucking nasty, yeah. Yeah! Look off. I don't know why anybody would eat that. Even at £1.16. You gotta be fucking mad, don't you? That's probably me dead. You'll never see me again. That's absolutely fine. You're welcome. Grab by them. Absolutely atrocious. Leave a comment. If you tried one of these, let us know. Which one's the best Rustlers? What's better? Rustlers, Snacksters, Speed Feast, Speed Fast, Speed fucking Force. Yeah, it'd be Speed Force. Yeah, Rustlers. I'd be rustling my arsehole later. See you soon.